If you're looking for land where you can replace the city stress with highland happiness, this may be the parcel for you. This 3.448 acre lot is around a 30-minute drive from Black Hawk City. It's 15 miles away. The nearest city would be Idaho Springs, around a 11-minute drive, 2.7 miles. This lot is the perfect opportunity to build your heaven where you can enjoy nature, entertain your friends and family, and simplify your life. This 3.448 acres covers lots of trees and can be your weekend getaway. It is only a 35-mile drive from Denver, and the terrain is slope. Its best attribute is treed mountain lot surrounded by mountains. The annual approximate property tax is $425.46. And the general location is around 2.7 and 3.1 miles away from Idaho Springs, and there's no HOA, and no POA. So more freedom, and the general elevation is 8,555 feet and 8,705 feet. The zoning is MR-1 or Mountain Residential. For power, there is a power pole on site, so you have the option for city power or electricity. For water, you do have to drill a well or a household well. For the sewage system, you do have to install a septic tank. So good news, yes, there's roads and there's no time to build. So what are you waiting for? Now's your chance to get a piece of paradise. You may contact us ASAP for the seller financing options, and we also offer a competitive cash price. So talk to you soon. This is Joseph with CheapLandFarm.com. You may contact us via 463-218-7280, or you may email us at info@cheaplandfarm.com. I highly recommend you visit our website, cheaplandfarm.com, and visit the FAQ section where you can review all the common questions we receive, which can also help with your own due diligence or research. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe. Bye for now.